Hello kids, today I am going to make even number. Do you know what number is called even? Yes, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Also you can call 0. So we make 10 in place of 0. So 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 is our even number. So let's make our even number. Our first even number is 2. This is our even number 2. Let's make our second even number is 4. Yes, I'm building 4. This is our second even number. This is our second even number is 4. Let's make our third even number is 6. Wow, 6 is violet color. So our even number 6 is built. This is our third even number 6. Let's make our fourth even number is 8. Guess the color of 8. Yes, our 8 is pink. Our 8 is full of pink. Yes, finally our 8 is created. This is our even number 8. Now we are going to create our last even number 10. Hey kids, do you know what is the symbol of peace? Yes, you are right. White color is the peace, is the symbol of peace. Now our number blocks 10 is ready. This is our number blocks 10. Number blocks 10, number blocks 8, number blocks 6, number blocks 4, and last number blocks 2. It's all our even number. If you new here, so subscribe our channel and get more videos like this.